Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the low-hanging triggers that feed habit loops. First, strip shorts from your home view and turn off autoplay and push notifications. This reduces micro-rewards immediately. Next, commit to a short barrier. A 5-10-minute pause before opening the app, using a countdown timer to break impulse. Once done, install a reliable blocker and schedule focused windows so access is intentional, not reflexive. This establishes friction and gives you breathing room to choose. You now retrain your brain by replacing the scroll with purposeful alternatives. When the urge hits, perform a 10-minute replacement, walk, read, or practice breathing, so the cue still resolves but without the dopamine binge. Use habit stacking. Tie the new action to an existing cue like morning coffee or commute transition. Make it measurable, log each success, and enforce weekly limits. Over time, reward consistent wins with a meaningful treat so the new loop strengthens and shorts loses control. You finish by institutionalizing changes and preparing for setbacks. Lock in progressive rules, start with 0 minutes, then 15, then 30 for gradual tolerance, and pair each step with clear rewards or penalties so you have skin in the game. If relapse happens, don't shame yourself. Analyze the trigger, tweak your replacement action, and reset the schedule immediately. Finally, add accountability. Tell a friend or join a short-term challenge. This combination cements gains and gives you a clear fix when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.